Welcome to Arabica's channel. If you want to learn Arabic, speak Arabic, read Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is the channel for you. Please share to anyone who wants to benefit and learn Arabic. Today we're going to study the 26th letter of the alphabet of the Arabic language. حرف الهاء, letter ha, ha. It's equivalent to H in English, and it's called ha, ha, ha. This is how we write it in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. In the middle has 3 ways. And now we're going to see how to put the short vowels and long vowels on the ha. Alright, if we put fatha, dhamma, kasra, ha, hu, he. And if we put mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil ya, it's ha with a stretch, hu, he with a stretch. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to previous videos so you'll know more about short vowels and long vowels and how to connect the letters and what are the connectable letters and what are not. Alright, so let's put the harf al-ha into usage and words. This is how we write hadiyya. Hadiyya. Hadiyya means gift. Hadiyya, something that is given. Hadiyya. And then the second word is hiba. Hiba is also gift, but it's a broader, wider meaning for hiba, like gifts from God, blessing, stuff like that. So that's hiba. And then the third word is muhandis. Muhandis is engineer. The fourth word is mahr. Mahr is dowry, the gift or money given to the bride in Islamic culture. And then we have baharat, which means spices, very used in Arabic food. Alright, so now I'm writing the equivalent to those letters in English, and then we're going to put in red pen the short vowels and long vowels to know how to read these words. Again, the first is hadiyya, gift, hiba, also gift in a broader sense, muhandis, engineer, mahr, dowry, baharat, spices. Alright, so fatha, kasra, shadda, fatha, and then tanween, dam. If you don't know what tanween, dam is, you gotta go to previous videos to remember what is that. Also, you can change the speed of the videos to make it faster or slower depending on your level of understanding. So hadiyatun, hadiyatun, a gift, a gift. So that's what hadiyya means. Now kasra, fatha, tanween, kasr, it's called hibatin, hibatin. Hibatin, hibatin, and that is called tanween kasr, which is adding noon or n sound with 2 kasra under the end of the word. Now muhandis is engineer. Muhandis, so fatha on the ha, and then sukun on the noon, kasra under the dal, and tanween dam. And then mahran, mahran. Mahran, mahran. Now I'm giving examples of the mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil ya, tanween, fatah, dam, kasr, and mad bil alif, baharatin, spices, and that is called tanween, kasr, 2 kasra, and n sound at the end, and it means spices. Alright, we've reached the end of the video. If you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is your channel for you. If you want to read Quran for your career or for personal reasons, this is the channel. Share it to anyone who wants to learn Arabic.